done it again.
So in the last episode, we pointed our phones at trees. I pointed out a bent tree. And I brought the kitchen sink with me again. Never learn. And we ate a feast off some plastic plates.
The next day.
Had a reasonable sleep last night, but apart from my back was playing up big style last night, so we're not going to do the other 7.5 miles today because my back's hurting. Getting old. So yeah, there's a RSPB reserve just down the road from where we are, so we're going to have a look at that and drive down to Cannich later. So we're on campsites in Cannich tonight, and yeah, just doing breakfast and all the porridge, but it's dry still. Wind's dropped a bit, and I'll just show you where Jim was last night. So I'll put Jim out there. But it's quiet, really quiet little spot.
The owls.
Apart from the owls. The owls were keeping Jim up. Big tree at the back of us. I'll show you the tree actually, it's a really nice tree. There's a van just going past now. Oh, it's only the second vehicle we've seen this morning. School bus. It's a nice nice old pine. I think the owls were playing in that last night. So anyway, bring you back later once we get on the move.
Guess it's time I wake up. This is 7 years old. We've been 7 years cold, and now it's time for summer. Walls came down, walls that were holding us in.
Yeah, I was going to squeeze in there, but my coat was too big.
To call home. And it's all burning down in the fire, taking on.
It was a grand day today. It was cold, windy. It's really windier than it looks on the film. That's why the sound was a bit shabby. So I've since bought some DJI mic minis, so I'm hoping they're gonna help a bit with the sound. Yeah, it's just nice having a poodle today, really, without a destination in mind.
Yes, inside of the.
I think I commented about these, saying they look like giant Lego. Certainly wouldn't want to meet the person who could make something out of them.
Try to make this our home. Try to make it now, go inside and save us later. And it's all burning down in the fire.
There's a small cemetery behind the wall, so we pop in there in a minute, have a look.
Carry me outside our daylight. Carry me outside.
I always find just walking around a cemetery, don't find it morbid, I just find it quite peaceful. Just looking at the names, wondering what type of lives they led. Wondering what their family life was like, what jobs they did. Yeah, I always find it quite interesting. So once we arrived at the campsite, basically just got the tent up, and we went for a walk then. Just thought we'd head round to the shop, and there's a couple of quirky gardens. We spotted these 2 ducks, and they looked like statues to start with. So we stood there and watched them for a wee while, and they just kept perfectly still for ages. And the Indian running ducks. And then when we came back past later on, they'd gone. So the pub's closed now in Cannich, and the shop have put this quirky double-decker bus in the side of the shop. A little bit of a seated area outside as well. It's just kitted out, so it's a wee bar area, television upstairs. I think they're going to build something permanent attached to the shop. I think this is just a temporary stopgap, according to the young lad in the shop who served us. Funky table, sir. Hi. You're standing rearward of this point. That's a sign, Jim, telling me to do something. Or telling me not to do something. Yeah.
We're standing rearward at this point.
Willows along